Hello, friends, and welcome to the one more session of Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operation. This is your host, Rahul. So, let's try to understand Road to the Cloud, Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations. So, let's try to understand how Finance and Operation is going to help you. This slide indicates the business trend. Top cloud computing, digital transformation, and particularly ERP application are the top three CIO spending projects in 2020. 70% of the global 500 will have dedicated digital transformation and innovation teams. IT, maintenance services, and consumable savings per year due to IoT, Internet of Things. 80% of manufacturers expect that improved factory connectivity will help them to increase output levels. By 2020, 50% of the G2000 will see majority of their businesses depend on their ability to create digitally enhanced products, services, and experience. Now let's try to understand the challenges in current scenario. The current and traditional ERP systems are isolated systems basically. The applications are disconnected, scattered around. It is really complex and slow procedure to deploy an expensive solution for that sake. No. Traditional ERPs are really expensive. Traditional ERPs are difficult to update. Those are really high cost at maintenance and operate. To operate a traditional ERP system is really very hard. So that is what we're going to address further. Now let's try to understand why cloud ERP. These are the integral part of business needs and business outcome. Okay, let's try to understand business growth to reinvent the business growth. Leverage new technologies to meet customers demand is your business need, and the business outcome should be increased customer satisfaction. Provide single source of business intelligence, and that should have a business outcome of manage business performance in real time. Minimize risk and cost, mitigate risk and cost. Here we have business need to stay competitive. The outcome should be competitive advantage in market. Let's try to understand how Microsoft Dynamics 365 helps in terms of understanding your integrated solution, in terms of understanding a core enterprise resource planning system, which can address to your different aspect of your organization, such as marketing, service, sales, manufacturing operations, finance, and talent. Two aspect of collecting the data and leveraging the data in terms of intelligence. So on left hand side you start with modern technology, unified technology. You gather the data, you convert the data into intelligence with the core having marketing, services, sales, operations, finance, and talent. And then you have intelligence and adaptability in terms of the entire ERP system. So let me introduce Dynamics 365 for finance and operation. This is an integrated ERP system which has different facets to understand and different facets which are integrated with each other to make sense of your enterprise resource planning. Intelligent financials are the crucial part of any ERP system. Indeed, Dynamics 365 for finance and operation to have an intelligent finance management system which includes accounts, finance, and your budgeting. Increased profitability is an effect of increased profitability, as I mentioned, is again an integral part of deploying entire system. Timely delivery to your customer is one of the most important aspect how you conduct your business internally. For fast fulfillment in terms of purchases, in terms of generating report, in terms of uh, accessibility to information that your organization needs to have and that particular hierarchy. Improved productivity is one more aspect of an ERP system that should fetch you. So once you have an integrated system which is interconnected and is a part of one solution is a part of entire needs to improve your productivity. Obviously, this entire data point are generating huge amount of data, and that data is utilized to make intelligence operation, and that is what uh, solutions like Power BI. Now let's try to understand the core priorities of the product. So core product priorities for Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation includes basic four pillars. Those are finance, manufacturing, supply chain including distribution and retail. These pillars give you an ability to intelligent insight of your business, productive experience, power of cloud to scale at really high speed, and ability to conduct your business from anytime, anywhere. Intelligent insight when gathered out of those four pillars we have described in previous slide can be leveraged in terms of role-based analytics. Now, this facilitates smarter decisions faster with user-based workspaces. It also has enhanced the financials by fast-track profitability with 360-degree view of your business. This has enhanced supply chain management to deliver real-time responses to the customer's demand. Warehousing and transportation has to have a positive impact in terms of reduced transportation cost and increased delivery accuracy. Productive experience. You can enable your employees to access a real-time actionable data to ignite performance. That is how you can empower your employees to take an action. A diverse and faster innovation to satisfy customer demand could be addressed by innovation at pace, and hence a seamless integration, integrated, automated, and transformed business processes to keep ahead of the competition. Let's understand power of cloud. Predictable implementation deliver fast and repeatable implementations, upgrade and updates. Business continuity delivers seamless and integrated application with high availability and reliability to run your business. Global footprint, growth in existing market or expanded to a new market easily and confidently. This is what a well designed and architect Dynamics 365 finance and operation enterprise resource planning can fetch you. Now let's understand business anytime anywhere. So three aspects basically: mobile interface, task-based mobile application, and innovative business models are the most important aspect of business anytime anywhere. We can understand that nowadays we are conducting business on your mobile, so matter. So mobile interfaces enable mobile employees to do business on their mobile devices. It helps a lot to increase the productivity. Task-based mobile application allows employees to perform work while on the go. Innovative business models create a new business model for new revenues, better experience and competitiveness. Okay, since we have visited different facets of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation, let's try to understand the core principle. In core, the entire ERP solution is built on Azure, which is cloud of Microsoft. It has an integral part of artificial intelligence, Internet of a Thing, and machine learning. So full product breadth to have functional competence, continuous update for software as a services ERP, lifecycle services, self-servicing capabilities, NPS-driven engineering, user experience, fast track, time to value, Power Platform which includes Power BI and Power Apps, intelligence and insights, connected processes, core capabilities, fundamentals, usability, performance, compliance, data residency, automation, and supportability. Fundamental improvements. What is new? Usability enhancement that enable business users to easily view, filter, save, and share optimized view of data, gain productivity on daily tasks. Personalization capabilities that empower users to add or remove columns from grid and hide field to simplify and increase the speed and accuracy of data entry. Performance enhancement for on-hand inventory reporting, master planning, consolidation of plan orders, and warehouse operation. Upgrade automation that enables customers to apply a major version upgrade on their own using automated process. Test automation support that allows administrator, power user to run and manage an automated test regression suite using regression suite automation tool greatly reduce impact and cost of validating updates to finance and operations environments. Core capabilities, dual currency support, where reporting currency becomes a second accounting currency, upgrade general ledger process and tasks and reporting currency in fixed asset accounts receivable, accounts payable, and bank engagement. Enterprise credit management provides capabilities to automate the credit control management process for accounting and finance professionals. It proactively suggests credit control activities that improve cash flow, reduce bad debt, and provide new account risk management. Revenue recognition helps accounting and finance professionals comply with international financial reporting standards 15 and accounting standard codification 606 in automated way. Public sector enhancement that provide accounting and finance professional enhanced reporting and inquires new budgeting functionality, incumbrance enhancements, vendor collaboration improvement, vendor 1099 updates, and distribution of interest rate accurate on cash balance. Corrected processes. Finance and operation with project service automation perform object and resource management activities and PSA and project accounting activities in finance and operation. Finance and operation with field services performs field services activities such as order and agreement in field service and generate invoices in finance and operations. Finance and operation with talent manage your people in talent and natively and seamlessly integrate human resource data in finance and operation. Intelligence and insight. Extended analytics workspace for meshing up external data with Power BI to create calculations to deploy an analytic workspace into your own Power BI.com subscription. Bring your own database using Azure Data Lake and Power BI data pools, combining the best feature for entirety score and your own data into one service. Edit analytical workspace in client. Users can modify a ready-made analytical workspace, including financial report themselves without leaving the client or hiring developers. Pin Power BI dashboard to finance and operation workspace. Dashboard with rich visualization for different systems can easily be added to workspace to provide comprehensive visibility into business processes. Obtain real-time Power BI reports, analytics workspace and embedded Power BI reports in product are updated in real time when you update your platform. Few customer success stories. Comprehensive solution for business growth and better customer services. Merx combines pricing accuracy and data forecasting for more efficient operation. International aid arrival faster and more efficiently with Microsoft Dynamics 365 for operations. Renault Sport Formula One team uses data to make rapid changes for an even faster racer car. Mattress Firm supports rapid growth and real-time inventory with Microsoft Dynamics. AccuWeather, the storm with Microsoft Dynamics 365. Beer Matchmaker delivers innovation on tap. International aid arrives faster and more efficiently with Microsoft Dynamics 365 for operations. Mining the cloud for increased ERP productivity and visibility. M-Copa uses Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations to rapidly deploy solar power. Shackett speeds a streamlined restaurant operation with a single system. So thank you very much. Again, this is Rahul, and we will be having many such videos in upcoming time. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you soon.